Introducing how to set up your new quiet Hisense portable air conditioner with Snap Assembly Window Kit. The Hisense portable air conditioner is the perfect way to stay cool without having to compromise the exterior appearance of your home. Keep your home in the cool comfort zone. When you open the box, you will find the following parts: coupling, flexible exhaust hose, window exhaust adapter, rivets 4, screws 4, window lock brackets, slider section with vent, other slider sections, foam seals. With models that have heat mode, a drain hose and drain hose clamp are also included. A window installation kit is included for vertical sliding windows 18 to 50 inches wide, or horizontal sliding windows from 18 to 50 inches high. To assemble, press the flexible exhaust hose into the coupling and the window exhaust adapter. Both the coupling and the window exhaust adapter have integral clips that snap onto the hose. Then, insert the coupling in the slot at the rear of the unit and slide it down to lock it into place. Install the window kit into a sliding window. Once the kit is in the window, cut the adhesive tape to the proper length and attach it at the window sash and window frame. Install the window lock bracket with a screw if you need. Align the tabs on the window exhaust adapter with the slots in the vent panel. Insert the window exhaust adapter into the opening in the vent panel. Now, drive the included screws into the holes in the window exhaust adapter to prevent the window exhaust adapter from sliding out of the vent opening. Check all hose connections to ensure correct fit. Congratulations! Your Hisense portable air conditioner will provide many years of dependable use.